So here's the deal today. We're gonna go 60 seconds worth of work. Recovery. Those recoveries are gonna be jogging hill recoveries. You have to do what's right for your body and where you're at in your fitness journey. We're all different level athletes.
That was only 2 minutes?
That was only 2 minutes.
Okay. Well, if I know you, it only gets faster from here.
It doesn't get faster. This is gonna be tough. 90 seconds left of your workout.
I can do that.
You know I'm gonna come push you, right? I need you guys at home to make sure this speed is better than we were for the 4.5 minute run. It is easier in distance, which means you can push harder in intensity.
I'm often very time poor, like I have to like cram a workout in.
Give yourself something to focus on. It's gonna be 60 seconds. It's gonna be 3 minutes. Just give yourself a target that you work towards. We have so far still to go. I'm not gonna try and sugarcoat it. That's 2 out of 6. Now you should be 7 beginner, 9 intermediate, 10 advanced. I know it's fast. Get that knee up, everyone together. We got 15 seconds. Come on guys, I need you again to push up this hill. It's meant to hurt, it's meant to be fast. I'm there, Ben's there, are you guys there? Come on, go. Commit to it, look at us, look at these guys running. You're really gonna push that drive. Every workout is applicable to every demographic.
All I have is a hotel gym, maybe 20 minutes a couple times a week. I have a really high stress job.
Today is the first time she's ever run an episode.
I've done marathons, half marathons, I did half Ironmans.
He's on 9.5. This guy never runs, and he's pushing it. For your home, come on, join him.
I like it when you frame it for me, like based on what I've done, this is easier. Like it makes my mind think it's accomplishable.
Find yourself struggling, breathe out harder still. Focus on more breathing out. Come on, guys, push it home. That work is so hard. You've got 10, get that knee up. In 9, use those abs. In 8, really hustle. Come on, don't quit, I see you. In 7, drive hard and fast. In 6, earn that recovery. Let's go. In 5, go now, go now, go now. 4, gonna throw up on me? 3, come on team. 2, no one backs away. 1.